We love ping pong at StudioRed. We usually play a game at lunch every day. So when we found a piece of 1/4-inch acrylic out in the shop, we thought it'd be a great chance to laser cut and print an illuminated ping pong paddle. All starts with a model. We bring in a 2D drawing of a ping pong paddle from the internet. From there, we'll extrude cuts for the batteries as well as the switch, and then create a sketch pattern of a LED hole to locate the LEDs and ensure they fire correctly into the paddle. Then we'll extrude a handle and create rounds on it so it is ergonomic. This was done in the 1/4 and mirrored to make both sides. We'll then make the other components that make up this assembly, like the LEDs, the batteries, and downloading the battery tabs. Then we'll add screw bosses that locate everything and ensure we can assemble the final product. We'll do a quick exploded view to make sure the assembly order makes sense. These parts are then split out into individual parts. Once everything looks good, we'll add a logo to the paddle and export the files. We'll start in preform with the STL files of the handles, and then export these to our Form 2 3D printer, which we printed in draft material. Over on the laser cutter, we'll start by etching the logo. We do this first because it's harder to locate the part after it's been cut out. Once the etching's done, we'll cut the internal features and finally the perimeter. With all the parts in hand, it's ready to start soldering. We'll place the components in their pockets, such as the battery tab, switch, and LEDs, and wire the LEDs to each other, red to red and green to green. Then wire those to either pole of the switch so you can switch between red and green. The switch is then wired to the battery to complete the circuit. With the test assembly complete, we're able to paint the handles and do our final assembly. The batteries are simply snapped in, LEDs placed in position, and the handles are closed. We're all ready to play now. Keep it up.